Welcome to Code Map. Today we are going to discuss daily Leetcode challenge, equal row and column pair. Now let's discuss the question. Given a zero index n cross n integer, where integer matrix grid, return the number of pair row column such that a row Ri and column Cj are equal. A row and column pair is considered equal if they contain the same element in the same order and in the same order, that is an equal array. Now let's understand it with the given example. Here we can see that second column and third row is equal. Here we have only one pair which is equal. So answer for this test case is 1. Now coming to the second test case. Here we can see that first row and first column is equal. Third column and fourth row is equal. Third column and third row is equal. Here we have 3 row and column pair which are equal. So answer for this test case is 3. Now let's discuss the logic. How we can do this. The brute force approach that we can do is we can use 2 for loops to traverse the matrix, and for each row and column we can check whether the row is equal to column or not. The time complexity for the brute force approach will be n cube. The n cube, because first 2 loops we are using to traversing the array, and another loop we are using to check whether the row is equal to column or not. Now coming to the optimized approach for this question is we can use a map. What we can do, we will traverse the matrix and store each row into the map with its frequency. Suppose if this row is equal to this column, then the row will be stored with the frequency 2 into the map. Now after storing the row into map, we will traverse column wise in the matrix and check whether that column is present into our map or not. If it is present, then we will add the frequency of our of that row into our result. Now let's understand it with code. Here you can see that I have taken a variable n, which is the size of the grid, and another variable I have taken count, which is our result, and third I have taken map of vector type and integer. Vector is for the row and integer is for its frequency. Now I have run a for loop for each row, and I have stored that row into my map and counted it. Now I have run another for loop to traverse it column wise. And what I'm doing, I'm storing each element of that column into a vector, and then checking it whether that array or that vector is present into our map or not. If it is present, then I am counting the result, and after that I am returning the result. So let's submit it. Now we can see that our code has successfully passed all the test cases. Thank you for watching.